And good Friday afternoon. Welcome to HS 103 weather. It is Friday the 25th, 23 degrees in Millis, dew point at -8 degrees. That is a really dry air. And the barometer is at 30.25 inches. This morning's background is Fenway Park, looking towards the Prudential Center in Boston. A few clouds out there, but overall it is a beautiful day out. Taking a look at temperatures across the nation, 19 in Boston, 24 in Washington, D.C. Miami is the warm spot today at 75. And the cold spot is, well, kind of a tie between Boston and Minneapolis. Both are at 19 degrees this morning. Taking a look at temperatures closer into Boston, mid-20s out towards the outer Cape and Nantucket, working way back towards Boston, right around 20, and then out towards Western Mass and the Berkshires. They are in the teens this morning, and lower teens and single digits in the northern mountains of Vermont. And taking a look at the wind chill, this is the current wind chill, -15 around in New Hampshire. And a little bit north, -15 degrees right now for wind chill readings. Right for Boston, well, we're right in the teens right now for wind chills. Now, this is the wind chills for 10 a.m. tomorrow. You'll notice generally negative teens in around negative teens out towards the north. But Boston, we're right around 0 for wind chills for tomorrow morning. So really, the worst is, for the most part, is over in terms of this brutal cold. And this is the current surface analysis. You notice the snow out towards the forks of the Ohio. It really looks more menacing than it actually is. In fact, I'll explain later that this snow is really just going to scoot off the East Coast and not really affect us very much. Other than that, not a lot going across the nation. A few rain showers rather, affecting Los Angeles with a storm, but it's very light, and there's really not a lot going on across the nation right now. This is the surface analysis closer to Boston. You notice those clouds, they were moving in as the day goes on with the snow off to the west, but it looks more menacing than it actually is. And I'm not even sure a lot of the snow is even reaching the ground because we do have such a low dew point. When it's dry, it takes more for the snow to reach the ground. So I'm really not even sure if a lot of this is actually reaching the ground right now. And this is that low pressure system. It started out as a clipper and it dived south, transferring its energy to a low pressure system off the coast. But really, it's scooting off the coast, really not affecting us too much. This is where I'm expecting it to be tonight. You see it's way out of our area, affecting us with a few snow showers just anywhere in this blue circle. You can expect a few snow showers or flurries, but I'm not really too concerned about it. And this is the snow impact. Really nothing when you work your way west of Worcester. I'm not really expecting anything. A few flurries in the Boston area down towards the Cape Cod Canal. Now the Outer Cape has a chance of a coating to an inch, but that's really on the high side. I'm being generous with that coating to an inch. I think for the most part it's just going to be a dusting, and you'll see not a lot of effect on our area. Now, this is Monday evening. We're expecting a little bit of a rainstorm to come in. This is Monday evening. You see the lower portions of Western Mass. It's starting to rain Monday evening for them. By the time we go into Monday night, the whole area is covered with rain. Not really heavy, very light rain. More of a nuisance than anything else. But Wednesday, even though we do have a little bit of rain, we also have temperatures in the lower 50s for northwestern Mass, and then generally mid-50s for eastern Mass. Eastern and southern Mass, we're looking at mid-50s across the entire region. But it is going to rain, so pick your poison. And this is the Wednesday storm that comes out of the northwest and it dives south. Now, it really runs west of us, and when the storm runs west of us, that gives us mainly rain. Portions of western New York could see a little bit of snow, but for the most part, the eastern half of the Northeast is going to be all rain. In fact, the whole Northeast is going to be all rain with a decent-sized snowstorm for Canada, for areas in Canada. They could get a decent snow out of this, but unfortunately for us, it's rain. And this is the MHS 103 forecast for Saturday. I'm looking at a high temperature of 23 degrees, mix of sun and clouds with that storm off the coast. For Sunday, high temperature of 25 under mostly sunny skies. Monday, I'm looking at a high temperature of 33. And it will be raining, but this is more towards the night than anything else. And then Tuesday, high temperature of 35. We could see a lingering rain shower towards morning, but I'm not really too concerned about it. Come Wednesday, 52 degrees, that storm off to the west of us, affecting us with some rain for most of the day. Now Thursday, we're looking at high temperature of 56. Some areas in southern Mass and the Cape could be more towards 60. So that'll be interesting to see. There's a chance that they could hit 60, so it'll be interesting to see under a mix of sun and clouds. And then Friday, we're kind of right back to average, high of 37 under sunny skies. And thanks for joining us. I'm student meteorologist Tyler Simpson. Remember, you can always find the latest weather information by going to my Facebook page, Tyler Simpson-MHS1 with your weather.